Hello everybody, January 23rd, 2022. Not much has happened since the last update on Friday, but as I said, we were at the time at 22 and a half. I wanted to see it push up to 23 to 24. Obviously we got that over the weekend after this video. And the main thing still is that once this move up completes, we should see a larger pullback for that higher degree second wave. Whether or not we are done with this wave is a little bit unclear. I think it looks like it still has a bit further to go, honestly, after the micro action. So I'll take a look at that. But we will get a larger pullback at some point. And whenever that happens, I'm going to be putting all the cash that I've been sitting on back into the crypto market. It's really nice to finally have some actionable trades, coming our way. Bitcoin, as I said, it does already have potentially 5 waves up, but it is possible that this 3 is ongoing. If that's the case, then obviously we're going to move up 5. I don't know. This seems a little weird for that to be 3, 4, 5, but it's possible. If that's the case, let's get rid of this. We would see another move up for the 5th wave, possibly up here. So this is sort of like alternate scenario. If we get another move up, would be potentially 25.5 to 26.8, give or take, would be my next sort of target there. But again, that assumes this is the end of 3 and this is 4, which seems really shallow. So I'm not fully convinced of this yet. It makes a little bit more sense to me that the original count was correct, but what doesn't make sense for that to be the case is that if we zoom in here on the action we got over the weekend, you can see it's very clearly an ABC down. This here, ABC, right, clearly shows the bears are not ready to really fully take over. Now it could be forming maybe a larger WXY down. That's certainly possible. Maybe another move down and then the move up. So remains unclear. This action that we had today was super choppy. Lots of up and down there. So again, not really much in the way of answers as far as what to expect. I do lean towards, at this point, seeing another move up, and that is based actually a lot on some of the alt charts I've been watching as well, that look like they need another move up. Now alternately, maybe we just see this kind of chop around and consolidate. Maybe we don't get all the way up there and then see the larger move down. That's certainly a possibility too. So lots of things to keep an eye on as far as Bitcoin goes. But if we do see sort of a substantial move up, I'd be looking at that 25.5 to 26.8 region as the next possibility to see a stopping point. So I'm just going to mark that on here as our alternate possibility, and then we'll check in on Friday and see where we are within this and see if we have any further observations at the time. Obviously, if we do get up to that higher high, this box is going to be moved up slightly as well. But again, we will at some point get a relatively large pullback, even if that's just back down to this level here around 20,500. I think that's quite reasonable to expect, at a minimum, getting that. And at the moment, still possible that we get down even as low as 18K, but we'll just have to wait and see how that ends up playing out. So I will touch base with you all again on Friday. We'll see what the rest of the week brings, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody, have a good one. I'll talk to you then.